A tourist place in Ecuador that you can come to visit is the Galapagos National Park. Is a national park of Ecuador. It was founded in 1959 and became the first national park in the country. It covers about 7,995 kilometers, 97% of the Galapagos Islands. The areas of the Galapagos National Park that you can visit are clearly defined and distributed in almost all the major islands of the archipelago. There are about 70 land visit sites and 62 marine visit sites. Most of the tourist sites have their access by the sea, and that is why tourism is developed mainly through organized groups. Each group goes with a guide authorized by the park, and they arrive at the visiting sites aboard tourist boats. There are also sites in the four populous islands: Santa Cruz, San Cristobal, Isabela, and Floriana. White land access where visits without a guide are allowed.